Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, and this is actually my very first hair tutorial of 2025. So I might have other hair tutorial videos that went up, but those were actually filmed in 2024. This is my first one for 2025. So today I'm going to be trying out a wig from Nadula Hair, and it is a pre-made wig and pre-plucked, so I don't have to do anything to it. It's still in the packaging. I have yet to open it. However, this wig has bangs, and this will be my very first time trying out wigs with bangs. So let's just see how it is looking. Let me just show you guys the packaging really quickly. So this is the packaging that it comes in. So we have our satin wig bag. This is where you would store your wigs. Now, I have worn Nadula's wigs before. I've been wearing their wigs for like probably 5 years, and I have absolutely no issues with the wigs. I love their wigs, and they do a good job with their pre-colored, pre-plucked, ready to go wigs. Now, this is everything that you receive in the box as well. So you have a melting band. So you're actually receiving 2 melting bands, and you also receive 6 HD wig caps because there's 2 HD wig caps in this one. So there's 6 of them, and you're also going to be receiving the tape as well. So let's try this one out. Again, this is my first time trying out a wigs with bangs, so we're gonna see how this one's looking. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Ooh, guys, it comes with a roller. So I actually thought because it had bangs, I'm gonna have to be using my own roller in it. So I love the fact that they added a roller to it already. So this is how the wig is looking straight out the box. I'm just gonna remove this little mesh from it. Oh, the roller came off. But that's so good that they did that, because if they didn't, then that would kind of mess up the entire bang sitting in the bag. This is how she's looking. So the knots are already bleached for you, so you don't have to bleach the knots. Love that. Again, we have the roller right here. I'm just gonna remove that for a little. So this is how it's looking. Ooh, look at that. Nicely bleached knots. And the hair already comes nicely styled already. The curls look really good. So nice and bouncy curls. The quality of the hair feels really good. Absolutely love that. Now, it does have the tapes at the side. If you guys want to use the tapes, you can use the tape. So it is a completely glueless wigs. If you personally prefer to use maybe a melting spray or a little bit of glue on the side, you can also do that. You have the option to remove this tape if you want to remove the tape. Now, at the back, you have the comb at the back, which I personally love the comb at the back. Always use that. And you also have the elastic adjustment right here at the back. Again, I love this. And you also have the elastic band in the middle, which again, I personally love that. It's a mesh-like wig cap, so it is nice and breathable and not too thick. And also, as you can see, the lace is already cut for you. So this is definitely ready to wear, and you can just pop it on your head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make some adjustments to the elastic band first. I personally love that they didn't even bother putting any combs on the side, because usually I would have to cut those off, and I never use a comb, so I'm happy that they didn't bother putting that at the sides. I love the fact that we just have one big comb at the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just make some adjustments on this strap right here. Honestly, I have a small head. Most manufacturer wigs, they are 21.5. The size small is a 21.5. My head is 21, so I do have to adjust the straps to my liking so it fits my head perfectly. Hello, Mr. Leo. Hello. Meet Mr. Leo. He's just moving all over the place. If you hear some background noise, I have kittens, and I also have a puppy as well. So I have 2 kittens in this room with me playing and just doing the most. I should have closed the door when I started filming, and they're in here playing with a balloon, so I apologize for the noise. Guys, I'm really excited to try this wig on. Like, I'm actually really excited because it has bangs. And the fit is perfect. The fit is actually perfect, guys. Now, I know it's looking a little crazy, but trust the process. That was like the worst accent ever. Now, as for the little bangs right here, I'm gonna have to restyle that because it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving right now. So I do have to restyle that a bit and probably cut it just a tad bit. Okay, so our wig is looking really good, and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit so it goes over my ear properly. So it does go over my ear perfectly. It is not sit in my ear, so it has that nice C-like shape as well. And this is, as you can see, it literally fits on my head like a glove. Like it's actually sitting on my head like a glove. Like I don't even think I really have to put any products in this whatsoever. So that means that this is actually a true glueless wig. Like some wigs will say glueless, but I feel like you need to put a little bit of product to keep it on your head anyways. This one, I can literally just pop it on my head and go about my business. Okay, what I'm loving about this wig is that it's already styled for me. I don't gotta do much. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this clip in my hair so I can remove the tape. So as for this wig is 24 inches. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the tape. Well, I'm gonna remove the back of the tape so that way it can stick to my skin. So it's like seriously that easy to remove. And if you need a little bit of reinforcement, you can also add melting spray or a wig spray to this as well. It's literally that easy, guys, so easy. Oh, I'm struggling with my nails. There we go. As for the bang, it's just a little bit long on me, and then there's some pieces that are a little long. So
as I mentioned, the bang is just a little long for me, but I did cut it with scissors. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my curling iron. So this is not a hot comb, and I'm just flattening down this wig. It really doesn't need a lot of flattening, to be honest with you. It looks pretty flat.
Okay, I'm just gonna go with my comb and just comb her out a bit. And she is looking absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so here for it. Why do I have an accent? I do not know. Okay, guys, so this is how the hair is looking. I absolutely love it. And as for the bangs, I think it is super cute. Now, I did cut it a little bit because it was kind of like just really in my face. And I'm gonna pop the roller back in. If I could only find it, I have no idea where my roller is. So let me just look for it really quickly. The cats were in here playing. They probably took it. Okay, so I couldn't actually find the roller that I had in my hair originally. So I just popped another roller in. So I'm just gonna remove that. Ooh, okay. All right, this looks so cute. I'm so here for this. Okay, it looks super cute. And as you can see, the wig is glueless. So there's absolutely no products. I just have the tape on the side. All right, so this is how it all looks hair down. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch the style up. I'm probably gonna try doing a half up, half down situation just so you guys can see how it looks. So I'm just gonna go into voiceover mode and then style this wig quickly.
Now I popped the roller back into my hair just to get the bangs out of the way, and I'm just pulling up the sides of the hair, and I'm just going to do a half up, half down, and have two pieces of bangs, including the bang in the front out. And this is what it's looking like. It's just a half up, half down situation. I did it really quickly. It's not perfect. And then I'm gonna just use a claw clip, and I'm gonna do a quick little updo. Hey, she's kind of cute. I'm here for it. And then again, as you can see, with the hair half up, half down, and this is how it looks when the hair is down. It's a pretty versatile wig.
So this is pretty much the completed look. I absolutely love how this turned out. All the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, so you guys can go ahead and check out Nadula hair as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And by the way, guys, this is the same exact wig. All I did was did a center part and move the bangs out of my face. So yeah, you can put the bangs back if you want, or you can do a center part on some days. Whatever is your mood. She is versatile and I'm here for it. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.